So today I thought it would be fun to take you along. It is winter here in Zone 6A, and it's so nice to be able to get outside and go indoors someplace where there are green things growing. And today I went with my girls to the watering can. Now the watering can is a indoor greenhouse. It's more than that. It is an amazing experience, just a destination to go if you've never been. It is in the Niagara region near the border of Canada and the United States. So this is the watering can here. They have so many curated displays that you can't find anywhere else. And I thought I would just take my camera along and show you some of the displays, what they have in this location. They also have a cafe that you can have lunch or have a coffee. Many antiques situated around the store where you can sit and enjoy the view. So here we have the primroses. So nice to see this vivid color. Now we're entering into one of my favorite rooms in the watering can. It is so cool. It is a dark colored room with lights and fountains. And I get so much inspiration for even decorating indoors from this room because it is a dark room. I think they do use a lot of faux plants in this area. But it's just fun to get some ideas as you go around in here. Water features are something that I would really love to add into my back garden someday. All my gardens. Something about the sound of water is so soothing. They're also really good about making succulent gardens. So here we are leaving that room now. Just giving you one more look at all the things that they have in here. So back entering into the main area. Here's one of the antiques that I was mentioning that you can just sit and you can have your picture taken if you'd like. There's a eaves trough gutter garden behind the antique couch here. Super fascinating. So they have a whole bunch of super yummy baked goods that you can purchase at the cafe, and you can eat them sitting on one of those couches if you'd like. Lots of tropicals, lots of indoor plants. Currently seeing a lot of spring interest coming in as well. Some gerberas. I'm not a major house plant person. I do have a fair amount of houseplants, but I do not know all the names of all the houseplants. Now here is a large fountain area that they have. So many different basket options and urns that you can purchase as well for putting your plants in. I don't know who the designer is at this location, but they do such a great job of even just stacking pots. They have such a great artistic eye. Look at this piano. It's an antique piano with a succulent garden and sheet music. Isn't that so cool? So many neat things here. There's a canoe filled with tropicals. Lots of bonsai options. I think there's juniper, ginseng. I can't even remember what they all were. Here's some pink jasmine. Has anyone ever tried growing jasmine indoors? It can grow up to 20 feet. Be interested to know. Those letters create are filled with succulents. They have so many different succulent garden options. Lots of orchids in the store this time of the year. I don't know if you saw that, but there was a little Volkswagen Beetle right there decorated with plants as well. Myrtle topiaries. I thought these were really neat to add into your kitchen. put on your kitchen counter. They also have a lot of concrete bird baths and garden ornaments this time of the year. Pretty good prices, I thought, considering some of the sizing of the concrete. And they have a little flower market inside that you can order fresh cut flowers from, or even dried cut flowers. They have a section there for that as well. You really can get lost in a sea of green here. Any option that you were looking for is here, really. The colors of this foliage was so beautiful. And here's a Volkswagen van. They have one outside as well. It's really neat. They have a number of arbors that you can walk under that have plants hanging from them. Here's some more of the concrete available. Some beautiful pieces, really. A lot of cute watering cans, and mushrooms are all the rage this year. You can find mushrooms to decorate your house everywhere. Here's some calla lilies. I thought the pink of this calla lily was so beautiful, so vivid. So here is a large wood frame that they have hot glued various mosses and even twigs and logs and some fungi too. It's really, really neat. Back to the flower market again. Some more houseplants. So this was a neat little area. It's like a little miniature house that has all kinds of tiny little houseplants hanging from it. String of pearls. Heading back through the area now. I did not go to the cafe today, but I have in the past, and it's really special treat if you can go. There is an actual seated area. So this is near the bathroom. Look, they have these sinks and mirrors covered in succulents. Anyways, friends, I hope you enjoyed this little visit to the watering can with me. And I will see you in the next one.